Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Exercise number 2, dictation for Punjab and Haryana High Court at the rate 90 word per minute. So be ready, start. The applicant company challenged the imposition of water tax by the Rampur Municipal Board in a petition under Art 226 of the Constitution of India on the ground that the tax had not been imposed according to law in as much as the proposals and draft rules had been published by the board in an Urdu paper, whereas according to the mandatory provisions of section 131 bracket में 3 read with section 93 of the UP Municipalities Act 1916, they should have been published in a Hindi paper. The High Court dismissed the pattern but granted a certificate under Article 133 in bracket 1. The questions for considerations were whether the whole of section 131 bracket में 3 was mandatory or the part of it requiring publication in the manner laid down in section 94 bracket में 3 in a Hindi newspaper was merely directory, and whether the publication in the government game of the notification imposing the tax was not conclusive proof as provided in section 135 of the prescribed procedure having been observed. Section 31 can be divided into two parts. The first one providing that the proposal and draft rules for a tax intended to the imposed should be published for the objections of the public, if any, and the second laying down that the publication must be in the manner laid down in section 94 bracket में 3. Considering the object of the provisions for publication, namely to enable the public to place its viewpoint before the board, it is necessary to hold that the first part of the section is mandatory for the whole, otherwise would be to render the whole procedure prescribed for the imposition of taxes nugatory. The second part of the section is, however, merely directory. What it substantially requires is that the publication should be in Hindu in a location paper, and if that is done, that would be compliance with section 94. In the instant case, publication was made in Hindi in a local paper which on the evidence seems to have good circulation in Rampur. There is no regularly published local Hindi newspaper. There was in the circumstances substantial compliance with the provisions of section 94. In this case, section 135 provides that a notification of the imposition of tax in the government gazette was conclusive proof that the tax had been imposed in accordance with the provisions of the Act. Whether such a notification will save a tax which has been imposed without at all complying with one of the mandatory provisions. Full stop.